Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how we are going to stitch in the ditch. This is a sewing stitch which is usually used if you are attaching waistbands, if you was to be making skirts or trousers or something. And basically, stitch in the ditch is a line of stitching which goes in between what would be the material for your garment and the waistband, and it just sits underneath almost like it's in the ditch, but at the back we can see that it's just securing them both together. To do this, we're going to take our two pieces of material and we are just going to do a straight stitch, leaving a seam allowance. So I'm going to take the material over to the sewing machine. I'm going to pop the material under the needle and I'm just going to sew a straight stitch, and I'm just using the shortest stitch length possible on my machine. Now we've done that, we're just going to remove the material. Now we can see we have our straight stitch across. We can now press this to make it easier when it comes to stitching the next part. I'm just going to use my easy press and mat, but you can use an iron. And what we need to do is we need to open up the material, flip it over, and we want the seam to be going upwards. So we're just going to press that down. Once we've pressed that, we're going to turn over the top part of the material because we want it to look quite neat and hide the raw edge. Just going to turn that over, and again I'm just going to press that down. Once you get confident with this, then you won't need to press it all the time. Then we need to roll over the material again, and we're going to bring it so the fold edge there is just underneath the stitch line here, and we're going to bring that down. So as we can see, now we should be able to see here that the pink at the back is going to be lower down than the pink at the front, and that's what we're trying to achieve. So when we're happy with that, I am just going to press that quickly, and then I'm going to attach some pins just to hold it into place. So I'm just going to pin it along the seam line. Once that's all pinned in place, we're now ready to take it over to the sewing machine and stitch a straight stitch, and we're aiming to stitch it just along the blue line, really close to the pink. That is our ditch, and that's where we need to stitch. I'm now going to place the material under my needle, and I'm going to lower the press foot, and I'm just going to lower the needle now to get the correct placement for where I want my stitches to go. And once I'm happy with the placement, I'm just going to slowly stitch all the way along the edge of the pink material. Once we've finished, we're just going to remove the material from the machine. There we can see now our line of stitches is running alongside the pink material, and that is our stitch in the ditch. And as we can see at the back, it has caught the material on the back as well, which is what we wanted to achieve. If you were sewing this for a garment, then you would do a back stitch at the start and at the end to prevent the stitching from coming undone. But that is how you stitch in the ditch. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.